Let me see. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Somebody said on TikTok, how do you feel about network engineer to network security? It's just an obvious next step in my
Yeah.
mind. I used to do network engineering and we had to pay attention to things like port security or protecting the switch, doing certain things in the configuration to protect the routers and stuff like that. What do you think, Ryan?
Absolutely. There's all types of cyber guys. And that was one of the thoughts as I was driving back from Denver this morning, preparing mentally, thinking about different thoughts. I'm not a network guy. I know some network concepts because I've been exposed to them over the years. I've VLANs being constructed, built, and shut down, but I'm not a network guy. There are guys who are, and we need you in cybersecurity. We need network security guys to
Absolutely.
come in and tell us, hey, you've got way too many VLANs, you got way too many ports open, blah, 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 blah. We need network guys to grow into network security engineers. Maybe not necessarily a cyber guy, but we need all sorts of flavors in cybersecurity in general. A cybersecurity team
Absolutely.
is the sum of all of its parts. I know how
Exactly.
to write policies. I know how to sit and knock out 5-page documents or 20-page documents or 60-page studies because that's one of my strengths. But if you're asking me to be a network security guy, I cannot do that for you adequately.
Exactly.